Hi, it's Kathy O'Connell, and I want to let you know that the week of January 23rd, we are kicking off workshops on dating and relationships. We are having a bunch of workshops for people on dating and how to date successfully, but we are also having a couple workshops for professionals who work in the disability service field on effectively supporting dating and relationships for people with disabilities. What you're gonna learn in the workshop is how to help someone with a disability deal with what we call sexual ableism, which is that judgmental attitude that many people with disabilities encounter around dating and relationships. And the way I define it is looking, sexual ableism is a way of looking at people with disabilities as though they're inferior in dating and relationships simply because of the presence of a disability. We're going to teach you how to help people navigate through that, as well as the importance of self-esteem and confidence, specifically as it relates to dating. And finally, we're going to teach you, the professionals, of how to feel more equipped in dealing with the delicate triangle of helping someone with healthy boundaries, helping someone put themselves out there in the dating scene, and also how to help empower them so that they are protected from abuse and assault. I hope you will join us. The first workshop is January 25th, and the details are here in the post. See you then.